Now we will study about sonar. It stands for sound, navigation and ranging. Sonar is a device which is used to measure the depth of a sea or to locate many underwater things like enemy submarines and shoal of fishes. It is a device which is completely based on the use of ultrasonic sounds. The principle of sonar is by sending a ultrasonic sound from a ship into the sea water, they produce an echo by the reflection of ultrasonic sound. The reflection of echo or the reflection of sound is studied, which makes the detection of underwater things. The figure represents the various apparatus which are required to make a sonar. In a sonar, we can see that we have basically two apparatus, that is transmitter and receiver. Transmitter is used for emitting the ultrasonic waves, while the receiver is used for detecting the reflected ultrasonic waves. Now, as we see in the figure that there is a ship which is over the water and it has a sonar device which is attached to the upper side of a ship. By using this sonar device, we want to measure the depth of a sea that is below the ship. For this task, the transmitter of a sonar is made to emit a pulse of ultrasonic sound. As we see that in the figure, we have written it with yellow line, with yellow color, that these are the emitted ultrasonic waves. As these are ultrasonic, so the frequency is 20,000 Hertz. The pulse of ultrasonic sound, which is emitted by transmitter, is traveling down in the sea water towards the bottom of sea. As this pulse strikes the bottom of the sea, it is reflected back to the ship, but this time it is in the form of echo. So the reflected ultrasonic pulse is due to echo. This echo produces an electrical signal in the receiver part of the sonar device. This sonar device measures the time taken by the ultrasonic sound pulse to travel from the ship to the bottom of the sea, and by calculating or by measuring this time, we can calculate the depth of the sea as as velocity was 2d by t. So the distance will be velocity into time divided by 2. So the d will give us the depth of the sea. So by using this sonar device, we can calculate the depth of the sea. We are using only ultrasonic sound in the sonar because of its high frequency, and due to its high frequency, it can penetrate deep in the sea water without being absorbed, and it cannot be causing any type of confusion that is related to noise, because the ultrasonic waves cannot be perceived by human ear due to its high frequency range. So these were some uses of ultrasonic sound.